Are you stopping by for the very first time? Are you tuning into my channel for the very first time? Then you are highly welcome to Sar Skincare and Bakery channel. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own lotion using light up lotion. This lotion can give you that fairness skin. Yes, guys, that flawless skin tone. Okay, so let me dive into the video and show you the procedures. Please remember to watch the video to the end so that you can hear everything that I say in this video, and you don't wait and bring me your testimony or review. Guys, let me show you how to do it. Get one of the light up lotion. Light up lotion comes in 3. We have the carrot, alpha arbutin, and the collagen. Any of it will do. Please get one of it. Any of it. Scoop it into a bowl. Then you add in Make Me White tube, one of it. Make Me White tube, one of it. Okay, the tube cream, one of it. This tube is anti-spots, so it will clear all the spots on your body. It's very good. So we are going to get in one of these tube and add to it. Then we get our Fellobat tube. Fellobat tube is also antifungal, anti-inflammatory tube. Is very good. Yes, combination with Miracle Dem, you are going to love your skin. After adding the Fellobat and Make Me White tube, then you add in your Miracle Dem tube. Yes, one of it will do. Miracle Dem tube is very good for reactions. Even it also takes care of stretch marks. It's very good. Please mix it properly. Mix it very well before you add in the serum. Perfect Glow Serum, 1 full bottle of it. Perfect Glow Serum, 1 full bottle of Perfect Glow Serum, 1 of it. This serum glows the skin in no time. Then you get in your Nano Half Cast Serum. This serum is very good. It contains kojic acid, so it will just treat all the skin problems, the blemishes on the skin. So it will treat it. Get 1 full bottle of it. Okay, guys, yes. Add to the lotion. After that, then you add in your vitamin C oil. Please get the oil. I'm not talking about the serum. Get 30 ml of the vitamin C oil. Then add in 30 ml of it. Then you add in Shalom Stretch Mask oil. Shalom Stretch Mask oil will take care of the stretch mask. That one to add 30 ml of it. I'm talking about the oil, please. Then you add in Skin Doctor Amponus. 2 pieces, only 2, please, guys. Yes, only 2 pieces of it. Add to the lotion. Mix it very well. Then you add in your propylene glycol. I said what? Propylene glycol, to let all these ingredients I have mentioned to penetrate deeply into the skin very well. So we are going to add in 20 ml of our propylene glycol into this production. What are you waiting for, guys? All the measurement is in this video. Then I have mixed mine properly. Yes, remember to mix it very well. Oh yes, mix it very well. Let it all be incorporated before you can package it into the bottles, or you can make uses of it. So guys, this is the simplest way to do it. You can do it by yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes, guys, please help me share this video, and also help me like this video. Oh yeah, now share and also like my video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Remember to turn on the notification bell. God bless you for always being with me. Bye.